welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Caitlin for the people who didn't know. And as you guys can tell by the title for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I create my slick buns. So let's get into it, okay? So I'm going to first take a small section of hair in the back of my head and part it from the rest. Now listen y'all, the part does not have to be that great. You will tell in the rest of the video that mine wasn't, so don't stress about that. But after parting that, take that small section you left out, wet it just enough to that where your product will hold and you will be able to brush through. After wetting it, I use my extreme styling gel on that section, and to be honest, I don't know how much of this product I use. I just know I kept going back and forth. I used enough to that way it was defined on its own. I really didn't need to do much. But after that, it did make it easier for me to use my defining brush. And here, you guys, I know it's not right, but I brushed the roots first and then I went to the ends. After using the extreme styling gel, I will be using this Cream of Nature flexible styling gel. And I like using this for my buns because it helps control my flyaways and it makes my hair smooth. To me, it kind of resembles edge control, but not really an edge control. And after doing that, I'm going to brush through just to make sure the kinks are out. And then I will take a scrunchie. I don't know, y'all call this a scrunchie or a hair tie. I say scrunchie, but I will take this scrunchie and separate it from the rest. Basically, you guys will be seeing me repeat the first section of the video over and over until I get to the top. And then once I make it to the top, you guys will see how I part my hair and style it from there on. So the video will speed up just a little bit, not that much, because I still want you guys to see my process, okay? So stay tuned. So look, while I have you here, please leave a comment down below on some nice detangling brushes that works for you. I swear this little brush here just be tearing my pole head up completely. So if you have some suggestions, please leave it down below. I would love to try them out. Please and thank you. So if you made it to this part of the video, you have time to stop what you're doing. It's okay, you can pause the video, just stop it. Scroll down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also leave a comment. I do read the comments, okay? So leave a comment, let me know what you like and what you would like to see more of, and I will get it done for you guys. Now, I do want to say, as you're removing that scrunchie, don't make it as tight as I was making it, because when it's time to remove it, it's kind of hard. I don't know if it's hard for me because of my hair texture, but it was hard for me to remove it. In some parts I just had to like just kind of pull it out, and you for sure do not want to pull your hair out like that, okay? So don't make it as tight, but just make it tight enough so that way you can kind of hold it. From here and maybe close to the end of the video, you probably will see how focused I am. I told y'all I do not know how to part, so as I'm parting, I'm really trying to focus and make sure that it's clean and at least a little bit decent, okay? So for the top of my head, I do add a little extra. I'm going to use an edge control just to make sure that it's slick and sleek as possible. And the edge control I do use that you see me use is the Style Booster. I know y'all know about that, but I do use that on the top section only. Sis is the extreme styling gel for me. I don't know what's in this product, but I swear I love it. I might have to do a video on just using that product alone just to see how my whole head comes out. Make sure you guys have a hard brush on the side. This brush can help take the kinks out as well as lay those flyaways, especially for me. Now, the brush I have here wasn't as hard as I wanted it to be, but it did get the job done. Because, you know, sometimes that defining brush doesn't really do what you need it to do. So we're getting close to the end. So for me personally, I do use two scrunchies. As you can see, the first one is medium size, and I use the medium size first so that way I can at least get up to at least 3 ties out of it, and that way my hair can be as slick and as tight and as in place as possible. Now here it's tight, but it's not tight enough. So that's where that second scrunchie will come in handy. And also that second scrunchie will help you form your bun. So your hairpins will have a nice finishing touch to your bun. So make sure you have some on the side. I want to say I used about 6 of them just to make sure that my hair was safe and secure and that all my flyaways were up. So I didn't show you guys, but I did use that Style Booster that I used earlier for my edges. Now listen, I don't know how to swoop a baby hair to save my life. So make sure you use and create your edges the way you want to create them, okay? So this is my little secret. It's probably not really much of a secret, but I do use this got-to-be spray just to hold my hair in place. And now I'm just going to tie it up with this nice pretty scarf. After sitting for about 3 hours with the scarf on my head, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful to someone, if anyone at all. And also, if you would like to see me create more hair videos, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. Like I said, love you guys, and peace.